Hey guys, today we're working on the 2017 Outback, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the door panel, and then we're going to do some work in the door, and then I'm going to reinstall the door panel back on the passenger side. You get a little pick. There's a little cover right here. It's got a little notch. You just get something so we can open up the little door, like so. And there's also one right in here. I've taken them out already. But they're little screws like this. They go in here and in here. Take those two out. That's the only two things holding the door panel that you got to take off. The rest of it pops off with clips. That's on the actual door panel. And if you get your hands somewhere underneath here, if you can't, obviously, with my little panel popper, I'd get my little flathead or panel popper and put it, somewhere to where you can get your fingers in it. And then just, there you go. Just pull on it. Don't be afraid of it. Like so. And once you get loose, you just lift up and pull back. And very simple. Oh, gotta love all the glue in here. These two guys, you just pop them out like this. You just wiggle them. They'll come out. Sometimes. And then you got two plugs here. Got two plugs here. And I have a very hard time unplugging these plugs on the Subaru because all right, there's one.